Hello again on my channel. Today I want to show you my interpretation of the famous A-Team-Van. I tried to make a European interpretation, and I took for this model from efsi. It's a Citroen C35. efsi is a brand from the Netherlands, and they made, I think, quite good models. The first thing, of course, was to strip the old paint. Originally it was green. Then the next step for me was to put a little spoiler lip to the front. This spoiler lip I made from a little small piece of metal. Then the first color I painted was the silver. The silver is a color from Model Master, and this color is called aluminium. Sorry for that. Then the next paint I used was green for the stripe and the rear spoiler. I took this touch-up pencil with this color and I mixed it a little bit with this green from Revell. But I didn't only paint the green stripe with this, I also painted the wheels in green. Yeah, and the last color was the darker gray. I took also a touch-up pencil, this one. All the colors, of course, I had to thin a lot to use it with the airbrush. Yeah, the rear spoiler I took from a Ferrari F40 from Hot Wheels, and it fits very good. The other parts, like the headlights on the top, the sun shield or the front bumper, I took from an original Greenlight A-Team model. Also the wheels, of course, I took from this. Yes, I like it very much. Unfortunately the wheels don't turn, but what I really like is the opening and closing side sliding door. That's pretty unique for this kind of models, I think. Yes, I put some details on the car, like the rear lights, the door handles, or the front lights. Maybe you can see it. And I think it's a pretty nice version, European version of the A-Team-Van. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or comments, please write down below, and see you next time again. Bye bye.